team building doesn't have to mean awkward games, forced fun, or taking part in activities only half your team wants to join in with. At Katumba, we create high-energy cultural experiences that turns rhythm, movement, and a shared energy into real connection. Some teams come to us for an energizer, something bold, interactive, and memorable that lifts the room and gets everyone engaged fast. Others need something deeper, an experience that helps teams reconnect, communicate better, and feel more present with each other. And for a well-being focus, we blend rhythm, movement, and mindful practices to help teams reset, de-stress, and recharge in a way that feels genuine, accessible, and inclusive. No experience is needed, just a willingness to join in. Hosted at your workplace, an event venue, or at our very own dedicated space in Liverpool, we create team experiences that feel energizing, uplifting, and truly unforgettable.